Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the official YouTube channel of Officer Study 24/7. So, first of all, let me know how are you all, and also let me know is audio, video both are okay? Are we good to go? So, let me know in the comment section is audio, video both okay? Are we good to go? So, this is your session regarding IE IFS English Medium series that we have started with the name of Crash Course. Okay, so this series actually named as a crash course here. So, crash course series it is, and this is our ninth class on this particular series. And if you remember, we have started this sessions or the series with the victory series. And in victory series, we have started discussing the IEIFS subject with the module D. And we have completed the module D in your victory series. So we have started here in crash course series, that is Indian economy and Indian financial system, unit module number C. And the module C talks about the Indian financial architecture. So as you can see, there are total 9 units are there in the module C of YOM, and we have discussed all of them. Today will be the last unit that we have to discuss, that's the reforms and development in the banking sector. So if you are first time here, you are looking for a dedicated platform where JIIB sessions will be available, which will help you prepare for your paper for May June 2024. And for that you can join this particular series. First it named as a victory series, and now it is a crash course series. And if you want to check older classes, just go to the playlist section. In the playlist you will find all the sessions recording available, in which we have discussed the module advanced question as well as all the other sessions in the module C that we have completed till now will be available in your playlist section. Okay, now let's move forward and talk about today's session. So today's topic talks about the reforms and development in the banking sector. So reforms means changes we are talking about. What changes, what developments have been done in the banking sector. So first of all, when it comes to the reforms, the major three reforms are there. First, RBI have introduced the digital currency that named as a CB, central bank digital currency. That's one of the major new reform we have seen. Okay. Second, NAFID was introduced. Now, what is NAFID? One. NAFID stand for NABARD. One second. Okay, this is NAFID, NABFID. NAFID stand for National Bank for Infrastructure Development, National Bank for Financing Infrastructure Development. That's a NAFID. It was introduced by RBI in the Development Financial Institution, or as the name of Development Financial Institution. We have NAFID, that's the latest development financial institution established in 2021 only. Okay, apart from that, we have also introduced NARCL, that is National Asset Reconstruction Company Limited. So these are the three major reforms we have seen in the banking sector, in the financial sector in our country. First is central bank digital. Second is NAFID, National Bank for Financing Infrastructure Development. Third is NARCL, that is National Asset Reconstruction Company. Okay, now NARCL, also known as a bad bank. Okay, it is also known as what? It is also known as a bad bank. NAFID is a development financial institution, and this is the digital currency of our country. This digital currency will be treated as a fiat money in our country. Now, what is fiat money? Fiat money means those money or the currency that is got the legal tender from the government of India. So, fiat currency means the currency have got legal tender from government of India, that is known as your fiat currency. Okay, you can call it a fiat money. Now, these are the three major reforms recently happened. Now, let's start with the MCQ, and we'll discuss more uh, questions regarding this particular chapter. It will clear your concept. So first question is talking about which of the following is our correct channels through which the funds reach the infrastructure. So development financial institutions are actually created to make the infrastructure sector properly have finance and will be developed. That was the one of the reason why we have introduced the development financial, because development financial able to provide long-term sources of fund, and for the large capital they can provide fund for the long capital, as well as they can give the large capital which commercial banks was not capable of providing. So that's why development financial. Okay. So question is asking which of the following is the correct channel through which the funds reach the infrastructure sector. Is it government, development financial institutions, commercial bank, non-banking companies, insurance companies, and pension funds? So which of the following actually gives funds to the infrastructure sector? A, B, C, or D? And if we see government gives the loan, okay, government give funds, development financial institution gives funds, commercial bank, NBFC, insurance company, pension fund. So the right answer is D. All of the above actually are correct sources, correct channels which provide funds to the infrastructure sector. Right answer is your D. Okay. Next question we have, which of the following is our correct characteristics of infrastructure financing? The correct characteristics of your infrastructure financing. So first is saying it is long maturity, second is saying it's large amount, third is saying it's higher risk, fourth is saying fixed and low real returns. So out of these four, what do you think? Which of the following is our correct characteristics of your infrastructure financing? A, B, C, or D? Which of the following is correct? A, B, or D? The correct characteristics of infrastructure financing. So in the infrastructure, it's very obvious you need a fund for long maturity. It means for long, and large amount of money is required in infrastructure. This is also true. High risk is there. Yes, it is. Higher risk is there in the infrastructure investment. And the fourth is saying fixed and low real returns are there. That's true. It means all are correct. All the characteristics of infrastructure financing is correct here in this particular question. So right answer is your C. All are correct. You will get a fixed income, but return will be very, so fixed low returns will be available. It will be positive, but it will take a certain limited amount of profit out of. So that's why right answer is C. Okay. Next we have a dash is an agency that finances infrastructure projects that are national importance but may or may not contain commercial standard. They are also known as development banks. They are different from commercial banks with mobilize short to medium term deposit and lend the similar maturity to avoid the maturity mismatch, a potential cause for a bank's liability and solvency. What do you think? What type of institution there which actually gives funds for the infrastructure purpose which fulfills the national importance of the countries? It also gives commercial return on standard basis. They are also known as development banks and they are different from the commercial banks. So what do you think? Is it merchant banks? Is it narrow banks? Is it development financial, or is it non-banking? And very good, the right answer here is development financial. So these are the development financial institutions which may provide funds. So the first development financial institution we have introduced was your IFCI, and the latest one we have NAFID as we have. Okay, right answer here is C. Correct. Next question we have, NAFID will be set up as a corporate body with authorized share capital of 1 lakh crore. So shares of NAFID may be held by which of the following? So we are talking about NAFID will be set up as a corporate body with authorized share capital of 1 lakh crore. Anna, so do remember that the authorized share capital of NAFID when it was reduced, it was 1 lakh crore. Now you have to answer the share of NAFID will be held by whom? Like in the RRBs, the shareholding central government, state government, and sponsored banks. So in case of NAFID, it will remain with whom? The central government, the multilateral institutions, the sovereign wealth funds, the pension insurers. A, B, C, or D. Who will have funds as a share of NAFID? A, B, C, or D? Options we have central government, multilateral institutions, sovereign wealth funds, your pension funds. A, B, C, or D? And the right answer here will be all. All 1, 2, 3, and 4 are correct in context to your NAFID. Okay, so central government, multilateral institutions, sovereign wealth funds, and the pension and insurance insurers. It means the insurance companies. They all are they all can have, or they all are having shares of NAFID. It means they have given fund to start the NAFID. A share of NAFID may be held by means what? It means they have given fund to start the NAFID. The right answer is C. All are correct. Which of the following is our incorrect function of NAFID? The incorrect function of NAFID. First is saying NAFID will have both financial as well as developmental objectives. Second is saying financial objectives will be directly or indirectly lend, invest, or attract the investment for infrastructure project which is located entirely or partially in. Third, central government will prescribe the sectors to be covered under the infrastructure. Fourth, developmental objectives include facilitating development of the market for bonds. It is for you have to answer which of the following is our incorrect function of NAFID. A, C, or D. A, B, C, or D. Which of the following is correct? Okay. So if we talk about NAFID, it actually perform both financial as well as developmental object. First is true. Second is saying financial objective will be directly or indirectly lend or invest to attract the investment for infrastructure. And that will be loaded entirely or partially in India. This is also true. Then the third is saying central government will prescribe the sectors to be covered under the infrastructure. That's true. Government of India have given a certain name of the sector which are covered as an infrastructure domain. Okay, only those sectors will be counted here. Fourth is developmental objectives include facilitating the development of market for bonds, loans, and derivative. And that is true. The first, second, third, fourth, all other statements are true here regarding the function of NAFID. So your right answer will be D because it was asking about the incorrect function. But all the functions here given is correct. So right answer is your D. Okay, right answer will be your what? D. None of the above. Next we have NAFID can borrow money from which of the following? So NAFID is actually developing infrastructure sector and providing funds for the infrastructure. So it's very obvious NAFID will need funds for the development of the infrastructure. So from where the NAFID can have funds? From central government, from RBI, from mutual funds. Out of the four, who can give the fund, or from whom the NAFID can borrow the fund? One, two, three, or four. Okay, so the right answer will be here all. All of the above are correct. So NAFID can borrow money from which of the following? From all of the following: central government, Reserve Bank of India, scheduled bank, mutual fund. All will be counted in the parties from where the NAFID can borrow funds for the purpose of the financing of infrastructure sector. Okay, right answer is C. Next question is smart lending for aspiring India is one of the addition of ease. Ease 1.0, ease 2.0, ease 3.0, ease. So which of the following is correct here? The smart landing for aspiring India is one of the themes in which edition of the E. So when it comes to the ease is what? It was introduced, the reform that was introduced for the public sector banks, make the public sector bank more efficient, more competitive. Okay. And in every ease, till now, ease 1.0, 2.0, 3.0, 4.0, 5.0, 6.0 was actually also launched. They are 1 year reforms. Every 1 year, RBI has introduced reforms to make public sector more excellent, okay, in their working. So in our syllabus, we have only these 1.0, 2.0, 3.0, 4.0, 5.0. 6.0 is not in our syllabus, but yes, in before the exam, if IIBF have given this information to us, like the latest ease reform you have to cover, then we will cover. Otherwise, no. Okay. So here the right answer will be the smart lending for aspiring India is one of the in which addition it is in the East 3.0. Okay, so right answer will be EASE 3.0. That is your smart lending for aspiring India is one of the themes. So the EASE 3.0 have total four themes. Out of that, one we have smart lending for aspiring India. So here the right answer will be C option. Okay, that's the correct one. Okay. Now this was the questions we have discussed regarding your reforms and development in the banking sector. Okay. Before moving forward, do let me know how many answers you have given correct. Also let me know is if any doubt you have, then let me know your doubt as well. Now you can see the Mahapack, the numerical batch of AM, the crash course batches all are available. So in the JIIB Mahapack 2.0 AFM, JIIB May and JIIB May uh, crash course we have here, all these batches are available for all of you in which you get all the required content to clear your paper. Like if I talk about the Mahapack, you will get here all batches, all comprehensive batches, all crash course batches, all revision batches, everything. Apart from all batches here, you will get ebooks. All the ebooks of all subjects will be there. All topic wise tests will be available. All full length mock tests will be available, and all the batches recording will be available 24 into 7. So these benefits are available. Plus mini and maha marathons will be also available. These are the benefits which are in the maha pack. Apart from that, in the individual batches you will get the individual subject conceptual classes, the test etc. Okay. Now, to enroll in any one of them, first of all, you have to download the 24/7 application. After downloading application, you have to go to the home page of application to find out the batches. So this is your home page here. When you scroll down, you will find the exam category available, that is JIB here. After that, go to the JIB May 2020. You will find all the live batches. You will find test series, video courses. You will find ebooks. You will find hard copy books. All the books are available. Now, how to enroll? You can see if you want to enroll in the Mahapack right now, the double validity is on, and all the other batches are also available here. But the much more benefit is with the Mahapack because it has double validity and it has everything. And you can see 600 plus 600 hours live classes are there. And apart from that, you can see test series are there 446. You can see ebooks are there. And apart from e, you will find here have a classes also. Okay, when you scroll down, apart from those, you will find me and Maha Marathon. This is the special feature which is only available in the Mahapack 2.0, not available in any other batches. And so you can see all these are the benefit. After seeing the benefit, just you click on the buy now option and use the code Y496. It will give you 79% discount here, but 1% additional discount will be available on the application. So 1 year validity, 80% discount will be there when you purchase from application. If you use the code Y496, you have to pay around 5,900 something to get your Maha pack. It will cover everything. And as you know, the date have been revised and now your paper will start from 8th of June. So now you have more time. And if you have more time, I guess it is very uh, right way to use the Maha pack very efficient. That will really help you. Okay, so this is how you can enroll here. At in the end of the session, I would like to inform you all, if you regularly want to join these kind of session, check the channel offices around 7 and press the bell icon so that all the upcoming sessions notification will be properly. Okay, whenever the session will start, all the notification will be available to all of you. Apart from that, if you haven't started preparing till now, then do start preparing because we have very less time and we have to go with the conceptual study. So do make sure you are reading conceptual study, you are understanding the concept and then covering your syllabus. That's very important. Chalo. This is all for today. Let's end the session here. Before ending the session, let me know if you have any doubt regarding anything of your paper of JIB. Okay, chali. Let's end the session here. Thank you everyone for joining the session.